Yng Nghanolbwynt Cyflogaeth Conwy, rydym yn cydweithio gyda busnesau lleol i'ch cysylltu chi a chyfleoedd gwaith, fel y rhai gyda St George's Hotel.
As a leading four-star hotel in Llandudno, we have quality standards that employees must meet. We have an exceptionally loyal customer base, which is why you must treat all our guests as VIPs. Here at the St George's Hotel, we are proud of our location. Llandudno and North Wales is an ideal tourist destination, so it is important that you have a sense of place to offer recommendations of places to visit, sights to see, and thrilling activities to experience, to ensure guests have a stay they will never forget. If you've ever thought about a career in hospitality or have experience of working in hospitality and you have a great work ethic and a can-do attitude, you could become one of our enthusiastic team members.
Ar gyfer cyfleoedd gwaith gyda St George's Hotel a chyflogwyr eraill yng Nghonwy, anfonwch neges atom neu ewch i www.conwy.gov.uk/canolbwynt cyflogaeth Conwy a llenwi'r ffurflen.